I'm going to be starting up a brand new series on YouTube where I go and I grab a brand new product that I've never sold before in my life, try to turn it into a website, and make a bunch of money off of it. Now, this is going to be a complete story of myself and my story through it. If I succeed and I make a lot of money, cool. You guys have some stuff to watch, learn, and copy in your own way, in a unique way, and do it how you want to do it. If I fail, cool. Funny content for you. You get to watch me fail, lose a bunch of money, and whatnot. We'll see what happens. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know I am going to start up a complete new product. We'll see how it goes. I just got it in, and it's kind of boring clips and content right now, but if you want to see it, I'll put it at the end, just so you can see what I am selling. But don't copy what I'm selling. Find it in your own way. But I'm going to be putting unique tips and tricks and things like that, things that I've spent a bunch of money on learning how to do and that I've been studying for non-stop. I have a huge passion for this. I've been wanting to do this. I've been wanting to share this type of content with you guys, trying to bring a whole new niche of people and followers into my YouTube and channel and stuff like that, besides my cars. So let's get into it. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully it'll be good. But just to let you know, it's not going to be a whole money story. A lot of people have been asking me lately, how do I make a lot of money? How do I do this? How do I do that? I'm 17. I'm not the best at it. I know ways on how to do little side things with business and stuff, but I am not the super rich person. This is going to be a story of my life and how I do this. This is going to be a complete follow-up of if I grow this and I succeed, awesome. If I don't, oh well. But I'm going to try to push it, turn things, learn from my mistakes, and make this a success. And you guys are going to be the front runners of seeing how I do it all. Also, side note, if you haven't been seeing a lot of car videos lately, it's because I'm preparing for going away out of town for a month to shoot some content in Arizona, Nevada, and Washington. And so I'm going up there for a whole month, starting tomorrow morning I leave. And so we'll see how that all goes down, and go to the Grand Canyon, do a couple things over there, go to Washington, do some stuff there, and Nevada as well, because I have a tournament over there. So that's why I haven't been posting lately, is because I've been getting ready for all of that, and hopefully I can film some good stuff there and edit on a laptop, because I typically use my desktop at home. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's why I've been kind of distant lately, so I'm sorry. So without further ado, let's get into it in the next video.
There it is. This is a reusable, collapsible straw.
Yeah, so
That's pretty neat. It all just snaps right together.
So it snaps right together.
Now, is that 9 inches?
Yeah, it fit my standard drink easily. And then you see the color by here. So this row right here is black. This row is.
So you just snap with it. Now to close it, you just.
Yeah, so you close it, fold it up like that. You put it straight in. That. But it can't go this way. It has to have the longer part on the back side.
The longer part of the back side. Okay, and this here is the cleaner. So what it does, it goes in and cleans.
Yeah. I was also going to tell you that it doesn't have a cleaner, but we found it.
Yeah. Clean.